All right, hi everybody. This is a tutorial to help you with next week's assignment, which is your final check-in number 2. Final check-in number 2 is asking you to take 2 different video takes, each about 8 measures long. One can be from your lyrical content and one can be from your etude. The lyrical is either Danny Boy or Princess Leia's theme from Star Wars, and then your etude is the specific solo for your instrument. So the flute solo is different from the trumpet solo, etc. All right. So we're going to make 2 videos that you've already recorded into one video to upload, so that I'm only looking at one file with all of your takes. The best part about this this process is that it allows you to make your best take of each song instead of sitting down and for 10 minutes playing through your whole tryout and having to just kind of deal with the ups and the downs of an individual performance. This allows you to give us your best lyrical piece, your best scale rendition, and your best version of the solo. So the only thing you need to have done before you start this process is you'd need a WeVideo account or software to do some video editing. I suggest WeVideo because it's free. A lot of you are already using it in your classrooms over the years through middle school and high school. It's very user-friendly, and I believe you get 1 gigabyte for free and videos up to 5 minutes, and we're not even be close to that, so you should be good. The other thing you need to already have done is your 2 8-bar chunks. They should already be done. This is different 8 bars than last week's first check-in. Okay, so let's get started. Right off the WeVideo site, I'm already logged into my account, so we're going to click Dashboard, and it's going to take you into the actual interface, I guess. Where my video is here, my little face, I'm going to have to move it around from time to time, so you're going to have to just kind of cope with that. One thing I suggest to start before making anything is go to Media up here, and we just want to help you manage your media so that your folder stays relatively clean. So you're going to go to that media button. Down here, we're going to make a folder, a new folder, and we're going to call it Final for Band. So this is where you can just kind of store things that are part of your final. So when you go back and do some more editing or anything that you want to make your final look the best, everything's rocking and rolling. Okay. Now we're going to start building the actual project. So the project is the actual tangible thing that you're going to make. All right, we're going to make a new project over here. So use a little plus sign. We'll just create it. Okay, and we'll call it Parker Final Second Part. Okay, and this is me playing trumpet for check-in number 2. Okay, there you go. All right, so you just click next here. That's totally fine. We're going to create the video. All right, so click Create Video. And I'm going to move myself back over here to this side, okay, and start editing. I don't care what perspective you use. It does not matter to me, okay? Just start editing. Okay, I am first going to need to bring my videos that I already made. I made some videos. I stored them on I'm on a laptop right now. You can use your cell phone and just use a Google Drive. That's totally cool as well. But remember, this is my final for band. This is where I'm going to work out of. I'm going to double click to open that folder. I have no media in here. That's what I need to get in there. So over here in the top left is Import. I'm going to browse and select media from my screen here. These are my 2 videos that I already made, Parker 1, Parker 2. All right, and it will just render and upload, and pretty much soon as it's uploaded, so the blue bars are all the way up, you can actually start dragging and dropping them. Super easy process here. So part 1, I'm just going to drop right here. Part 2, I'm going to drop right here. And that's all. Okay, I've pretty much made my video. I'm going to go to the beginning. I'll let you watch it, which is going to be weird because it's a video of me watching a video of me, but just deal with it. Go, Bears, go! bear power. A bear power. A bear power. Okay, so that happened. And now we are really ready to just kind of be done with this. You can use like transitions and all that stuff, but it's not necessary. Okay, we're going to finish the project. We're going to call it Parker's Chickens 2. All right, so that's my final check-in. I don't care if it's, I would just use standard definition. It's going to be the lowest. It's going to be the lowest amount of space on computer and send easy. You get to pick your thumbnail. Mine are pretty boring. Make sure that it is marked as public right here. So we don't want that. We want green. And then you're going to click Google Drive. Your WeVideo account might not be linked to your school drive. Please make sure that it's linked to your school drive. It'll make everything easier for you. It doesn't ask me for this prompt because I've already linked my account, but I think you guys are pretty familiar with that process. A little window will pop up saying, link to your Google account. Okay, so you make sure the drive is set up, you export it, and it is done. That's it. Okay, so now when you go into the assignment, you're going to go back into Google Classroom. You're going to open the assignment for Final Check-in 2, and you're going to add file. You're going to find this video in there under recent or something like that, and you'll upload it, and you'll be ready to rock. So hopefully that is helpful. Just under 7 minutes here. I got to get going. Keep the video short for you, but take care and good luck in all of your preparation.